Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bhagyalakshmi. So today we are going to see a topic in the network management, that's organizational model of network. The contents to be discussed today are OSI network management architecture model, organization model, two-tier network management organization model, and then three-tier network management organization model, then network management model with MOM. So let's see our first topic, that is OSI network management architecture model. It consists of four models, namely organization model, information model, communication model, and then functional model. Here we can see in the flowchart that the OSI network management architecture is having these four models. Let's move on to our second chapter, that is organization model. What is an organization model? The organization model describes the components of network management and the relationships they share. In the organization model, the following terms are defined, such as object, agent, and manager. So let's see one by one. Manager, agent, and object. Manager. What does a manager do? The manager manages the managed elements, sends requests to agents, monitors alarms, houses applications, provides user interface. Then agent gathers information from objects, configures parameters of objects, responds to managers' requests, then generates alarms and sends them to managers. Object. All objects or resources are either managed or unmanaged. Managed objects or resources are those who follow protocols. That is nothing but a set of rules and are controllable and by any external device. In the contrast, the unmanaged objects are the objects which do not follow protocols and are uncontrollable. Now let's see two-tier network management organization model. So here we can see the diagram. Here agent built into network element, example managed hub, managed router. A manager can manage multiple elements, for example switched hub, ATM switch. MDB, that is management database, is a physical database. Unmanaged objects are network elements that are not managed, both physical and logical. In two-tier model, network objects consists of network elements such as hosts, hubs, bridges, routers, etc. They can be classified into managed and unmanaged objects or elements, as we can see here in the diagram. The managed elements have a management process running in them called an agent. So here in the managed elements, we are having a management process running that is called agent process. So here, this is the indication of agent process. The manager manages the managed element. There is a database in the manager but not in the agent. In the manager, we can see there's a database, that is MDB, management database, whereas in the agent, there's no such database present. The manager requires the agent and the manager queries the agent and receives management data, processes it and stores it in its database, that is management database. So let's move on to our next topic, that is three-tier network management organization model. So here the middle layer plays the dual role, that is agent to the top level manager, manager to the managed objects. Example of middle level is remote monitoring probe or agent, also known as RMON. In three-tier model, the intermediate layer acts as both agent and manager. As manage as manager, it collects data from the network elements, processes it and stores the results in its database, that is MDB, management database. As agent, it transmits information to the top level manager. So last topic is network management model with MOM. MOM is nothing but manager of manager. So here agent NMS manages the domain. MOM represents integrated view of domains. Domain may be geographical, administrative, vendor specific, products, etc. Network domains can be managed locally and a global view of the networks can be monitored by a MOM, manager of managers. This configuration uses an enterprise network system and is applicable to organizations with sites distributed across cities. So here we can see MOM managing these two. So this is also known as manager of managers. Thank you.